Hi, sweetie. Welcome home. We're ready to eat.
Well, there's something
We have salmon and your favorite salad.
Oh, yeah, that sounds great.
What's the deal? I worked really hard. And look, for dessert, I made an apple pie.
Well, under most circumstances...
I've never made a pie before. It took me like 3 hours.
Well, to be honest...
What's wrong? What? Don't you like my cooking?
No.
I worked really hard.
I know. But to be honest, I just had a hamburger, fries, and a chocolate shake.
Why? Why?
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
I told you this morning I was making something nice.
Oh.
Didn't you listen?
I'm sorry. I forgot. Wait.
Serious?
Yeah, wait. What are you doing? Why are you putting the food in my shoes?
So you can enjoy it as you walk to work tomorrow.
Oh, no, I'm sorry.